Let's go. You're welcome to the stream. Let me know if you guys want to see some. Hit it in the chat. We're gonna keep it nice, light, and short this morning. Shout out to all my East Coast gang bangers. Shout out to everybody on the West Coast. Pewter Standard Time. I'm gonna let it run for a second. Starting soon. Don't miss it. Travel in time now. It's a time machine, baby. Yeah. Shout out GMI. Shout out my squad, man. My whole team in this big. Yeah. Alright. I'm sure you guys want a couple things. You guys want me to update you on a few things. You're looking at the web app. V2 is super sick. We have a few updates. GMI.cloud. We have runpod.io. We've got Kimmy K3. What's up? Kimmy K3 pulled up like the K3 dancers out there. Somebody pull up the K3 dancers meme. Shout out to OS. A lot of integrations will operate. We'll talk about it. You know, let's eat this plate one bite at a time. You know? Yeah. Of course, GLM 5.2. Of course, we've got our partners OpenAI and Anthropic. This wouldn't be possible without E2B. Vercel, we're not too happy with Vercel right now. We've been waiting for weeks. Shout out our partners at Vercel. Edge compute functions are now running off of a little bit of extra magic that we added in a Hostinger server. And computing right there on your browser. So a lot of cool things there. We will also supplement everything you have with, I think this is called OmniRoot. Shout out our new partners at OmniRoot. You know, how about that tweet, guys? How about that tweet though? How about the tweet? You know, if you ain't supporting CyberRider, if you're not supporting Bonk Computer, I don't know what you're doing, man. You know, who do you know? Let's go here and let's go to this tweet right here. GMI from the CLI interface via blockchain tech. What? That's the biggest upgrade, I think, and we pushed it live earlier today. GPU cloud compute with GMI. and this enables you to build autonomous AI agents and operators, heavy ML pipelines native to Solana. And here's your npm command. Of course, there's you can install it with Yarn. You can install with a couple of other things there, npx and such, pnpm and such, you know. But it's a beautiful thing. This is live on the GitHub. So if you guys go on over to the GitHub, I think this is it's one of these GitHubs. This is the OmniRoots one. Let's see. We go to the GitHub and we launch. Let me see. Am I too loud? I mean, we can go to this GitHub since it's kind of private and you guys can't see it really. So let's go here and let's go to just the main VPC3. We'll push this live for you guys here soon. Also, this is the web app. As soon as it's done, obviously. We have these other branches that we've been pushing to. So if you see last year here, it's just because we're not here. For example, for this branch, we've been cooking and integrating Kimi K3 and a few other superpower moves, including OmniRoot and others. Let me see if hopefully my music is not too loud. So yeah, let me know in the chat if you have any questions or anything. I'll keep this nice, light, and short today. As you guys know, we've been cooking heavy duty for about a year now, and you know, a lot has happened in the last year, but our OS has only proven the test of time. You know, it's the same type of OS that you get from you know, all these different kind of operators slash agents, you know, like the open claws and such, except here you're getting a serverless VM spun up, you know, when you summon the when you go to the site, it summons the code and voila, spins up a serverless VM. As you guys seen, I had VS Code on here. I've already done a lot of these tutorials, so I mean, go back to the channel and see what I've already done. Check out the YouTube. What else? Yeah, on the topic of grifters and tokens and such, like, you know, I mean, greatness takes time. So as much as I want to like push, you know, for updates to be out, we're just doing our best to integrate. As you guys see, we have a team now that we've onboarded. Shout out Jimmy, shout out Aswan, and shout out all the hackers. Still cooking on here. There are a few. Shout out Shamashi, and everyone else. You know, our Angel users using the app, testing it out. Couldn't do it without you guys. Of course, if you want more info, please go to you know, obviously the GitHub. Let's go back actually to GitHub. So we have, you know, the app. Obviously, again, we've been pushing mad updates in different branches and getting you guys the best and the latest in compute via blockchain. I mean, I think the idea is, right, the idea is like we don't really want the gatekeeping of these platforms to you know, just like the gatekeeping from, I don't know, identification things, credit card things. Why don't we just build it all on Solana rails, and then, I don't know, maybe tether compute cost with a finite token and see what happens. I mean, it's just an experiment, literally no promises, just straight over delivering on everything here. So let's go to the framework, which is live, and this is my, you know, happiest day really, because the framework is at the heart of the web app. And so when the framework was fully fleshed out earlier, we've published it on npm, and you guys can go ahead and obviously you can mess with v1 if you like, and we've included a lot of things here about v1 and v2. There's some quick starts. Obviously, you can do npm and install the V2 framework. This enables you, to do a lot of things, just right off the bat. You can use a CLI and add connection components. You can add swap via Jupyter. Shout out Jupe, man. Jupe is still kicking ass. I love to see it. You could do multiplayer gaming, AI-powered development tools, and also obviously DeFi, staking, lending. You can add your VMs via E2B, and then of course run runpod and GMI. And you can add the orchestration layer to compute with, GPU. Okay. You can add the compute orchestration on Solana Rails as well with just this command right here. There are also many other, obviously, other commands and things that we include here. This has been in the making for a long time. As you can see, we have a lot to go over if we go over just the README here. We've included tools for you to deploy it on Vercel. You can obviously, with my caveat in the beginning of this, it's really good, but we also have it to where you don't necessarily need Vercel anymore. So it's very convenient, though. I will say that. So Vercel, if you're listening, still love you. Just just please hook us up on there, okay? Just look at our open ticket and etc. etc. So I mean, I have a lot to do because I want to get the web out for you guys, the web app version of it out. And as you can see, you can still do all these cool things. Also earlier, we have, let's see, we've integrated OpenRoot. We've done Kimi K3. What was the other one I wanted to bring up to you guys' attention here? I mean, we still have plenty, right? We still have staking. We still have the light paper. We still have a few different things that are coming out, and you guys will be very excited about if you're just kind of believers in decentralized and permissionless compute, serverless systems, things like that. Yeah, there was something else. Let me see. We'll go back to the framework. And oh, I'm gonna just kind of go over this page here. You can also go to this page. This page is public, and the framework is public, and it's also published and ready to go for you on NPM. Shout out all the devs out there, and we appreciate you guys. This is just the beginning for a much bigger kind of rollout. This is our, kind of a proof of concept of, how it would look like to give a AI operator a VM and just tell it to cook for us, right? And with the framework, we just opened up the door for any of you guys to use these same techniques and these same methods to build an app really quickly. Last time we've done this, we had a bunch of people build some stuff. The coolest things were like someone built a game and we put it on the dashboard immediately, and we played on it. Obviously, again, go check the previous videos and such. Let's see. Let me check the chat right here, and we'll play some music, and I'll be right back. Oh, yeah. No, this is running locally. It's local from the server, and I just seen someone say that it's a recording, so I'll just press on the enter for you, and we can initialize this. It's pretty cool. It's to be honest, I just don't know how like serverless VMs are not being utilized. I think it's just so much power. You know, by design, you know, you go in here and do whatever, right? Like you can, you know, go to the browser, you have a network, you can go to github.com/bonkcomputer, and you know, I'm going to computer in computer. I'm using a Linux VM that looks like a Mac OS with the with the E2B right here, and it's pretty sick. You know, I have an AI operator here. When I have an idea what to, you know, ask it, I can always have it do stuff for me right here. I can go to the framework on here, and you know, see again, you know, this is all live and super sick. So I hope you enjoyed just a quick runaround of what you have coming. We are, let's just take a look on this other side here. Where's OBS? Yeah, by the way, if you guys do any like stream tech or like anything like that, like please contact. You can contact me, contact Jimmy, Aswan, or anyone in the team like Chapa or Internet CEO. All these people. We have a couple of different operators that will be rolling out that you guys will see. We're trying to get this out of the way so we can all kind of move on to the next steps. Which I mean, like I think everything is super exciting. But I think you guys would love to see what we have coming down the pipeline. Again, you know, just rather not talk about it much and just be about it. Be about it. We can go here and capture this window where we do. Let's see. We can do. Too many windows here. Window capture. Let's see, we have VS Code. So just to capture VS Code on its own, right here, you guys can see basically like our commits. We are committed, and I think Bonk Computer is stronger than ever now, just because we have, you know, a whole team, a whole kind of framework. No pun intended, but right. Then we have these like a couple of different, you know, operators and things. But yeah, we have published here on NPM. And we have pushed the updates, and then you guys see them here, back here in the framework. Yeah, so that's this side of it. Then let me share the other side where we essentially where we're working on the app. Let me just make sure here. Oh, it's minimized. That's why. Alright, let me just make sure we get you guys on a good spot. I really want to show this side of things just because it shows you guys the just all the work that we do that may not make the cut, or that may not make we don't share it unless it's ready. So all the things that are in the web app. So let me just go in here, and then I can share this. Okay. Okay. So this window here shows you the web app. It's running currently in a remote setup, i.e. in a server. And let me see. Oh yeah, that's right. As you can see, I'm SSH'd in here. We have a few things we haven't committed here that we're testing, and as you can see on this side, I've run OmniRoute and got everything there on the terminal here in the server. Yeah, Communicate3, all these other things are coming out. I have these commits here that, again, you guys wouldn't be able to see because this specific repo is private for now. But that's why you have the framework, and this is just built with the framework. So we use the framework, we built the web app that you see here, and then you can use the same framework and just build, any apps with, VMs, GMI, Solana, Jupyter, all these cool things kind of in one. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna get back to work because yeah, this performance side of things is not as easy to do when I'm building, and the building side of things is not as easy when I'm just coding. So let's see. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Let's refresh one more time, and we will shut it off for now. But yeah, expect a couple more updates tonight. The day is young still, and I want you guys to stay young also. Dream on, right? Dream on. Soon enough, I might do this stream where, we just don't end it until we hit a certain MC, but, I don't really even, the team, we've burnt the tokens on a few streams back. So if you're worried about like team or whatever, like we're actually just building for the community and just want, to, come out swinging and bring something to the table that can make it just more comprehensive to build apps with privacy, with decentralization, with inclusion in mind. Because what's happening now is people with no IDs and no credit cards and such are not able to spin VMs at all. They're not able to, just get a virtual machine, and definitely not use a lot of these cloud services. So keep that in mind as we kick the door down on compute and decentralization, and lead the way. Be the change we want to see in the world. It's just the golden rule. And anybody, trolling, like, or in a hurry or anything like that, like, just kind of, play it by ear and move with the wind, as they say, be like the wind. So let's see here. Awesome. So I don't see any questions or anything pressing. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Thank you guys for pulling up. Thank you guys for showing up and showing out. Anywhere you use Bond Computer, you're gonna see this. I'm sure all the OGs already know how powerful this is. Any devs, anybody that's looking for like this concept of like burner VM, you can always utilize this. You can make it persistent. You can even have a new key ring, things like that. You can log in, right, with whatever platform you want. Just for the sake of the demonstration, I'm not really doing that. I've done that before. Again, go to the other videos and such. And let's have fun testing it. I'll see you guys in the Telegram chat. I can't believe it's been 30 minutes already. We're on this live. It's really fun. It's really fun for me to do lives. Can't wait to do it again and do even more. now that the tech is getting close to being out of my hand, expect to see me a lot more on the content side, on the CEO side. You know, I've been taking my time to heal and revamp, and it's been a great evolution journey, and this is just the beginning for me as I'm on this billion-dollar path to create a lot of value on a global scale, you know. So yeah, updates coming soon. Any questions, drop them in the chat. The real ones, thank you for pulling up. I know the longer I keep the stream running, the more people join in, the more I want to keep going. Tonight, I'm gonna get back to work, and let's get the web app. And at least you guys can, you know, access like this new paradigm of Bonk computer. So let's see here. I'm gonna type a message for anyone joining. It's stream ending. And I'll see you guys around. All right, peace out for now. Yeah. Oh yeah, follow Bonk Computer. Start the GitHub, like spam star the GitHub from all your GitHub accounts. We need stars. Go ahead and share it. Share the stream. Share the ideas. Computer is everything. Remember that. I wonder if we could pull up computer is everything memes on here before we go. Oh my god, this is what we have. Let's just use the web browser here. I need a break. I need a break ASAP. Oh. Let me go ahead and pull up a couple memes before we go. Of course, we got the operator on this side for refreshing our app. So let's do that. Dynamic swap module, lit. I'm gonna go ahead and go here. Let's pull up some computers everything means. Computer is everything. Everything is computer. No, computer is everything. Everything is computer. No, I'm joking, of course, everything is computer. Yeah, everything is computer. So, this is a good one. Everything programmed in computer science. From Facebook? No, not at all. Everything is computer. I like this. Alright. It's been fun. It's been real. It's been real fun. Until the next time, friends. Oh yeah, one more thing. Bonk! Let's go.